Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial for SmartAdmin web app. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create some tag icons. So once you have your website running for the SmartAdmin web app, you hover over to your menu, scroll down to iconography, and you click on tag generator. And we should see something like this on your page pop up. So we're going to just collapse the menu here just to expand the space. And these controls you can drag and drop anywhere you like. And you have some default icons here, which we're going to reset. Okay, so now you have a clean slate. Click on Add Layer. And for your first layer, my recommendation would be create a base layer. So you can select any number of icons from here. Just remember that the SVG base and the smart admin icons, they come into the same pack. But if you're going to use a light, regular, solid duotone for font awesome, you have to make sure that these CSS files are actually in your file link. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to recreate the icons that we just recently saw. So we'll just select base 2 here, select icon, and by default, it comes into medium size, and we're just going to make it large. And let's go with the orange color. We're going to add another layer. And in here, let's go into Smart Admin icons. And we're just going to create that pick a light bulb. Okay, so it's very simple, straightforward. Let's make that small, dark. And if you want, you can add another icon on top. Let's do that. So let's select an SVG layer. And let's go with something like a sun or a light. Okay, perfect. The sunlight. And we're gonna make this large, bold, and let's make this green. Yeah. Okay. So it's kind of overlapping here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move that back and make the light layer on top. So you should be able to move layers like this, right? All right. So now we have sort of like an icon that we can, customize. Uh, Now you're gonna go in and save. So you select white, great, click save, and now you can go into your menu. You should see that icon here, and this is the icon that I had previously. So I'm going to show you how to use this. So I'm gonna go and copy. Let's say I wanted to add the icon to our headline here. So just to show you very quickly how I'm gonna do this, in your subtitle, gonna go edit HTML. It was probably not the best way, but just to show you what it looked like when we add it. And notice how it's adding a text shadow because it's inheriting the properties of the subheader title. So we can disable the text shadow and that the icon should come up. So normally that wouldn't happen. It's just that when we're adding it into the header here, it's just inheriting its properties. So normally what you would do is in a text icon, we just add another style saying, go one for style again. Text, text shadow is not, and that take care of that as well. Okay. So yeah, that's in a nutshell what how it works. And yeah, feel free to use it. If you have any questions, do let me know. Okay. Thanks a lot, guys.